Hello, boss. I'm Davis. Today, I will show you a stone mosaic factory. So many friends asked me how the stone mosaic is made from mosaic into a beautiful mosaic work. Let's get ready. Let's go. Everyone, as soon as you come in, you will see a block of stone here.
Which is
This rough stone is a rough stone that came from a quarry. Then we are going to use this stone rough material for cutting.
马赛克的一个荒料已经进来了。那么第一道工序呢，就是用手动的切割机将这一个石块开成正方体的一个形状。第二个步骤呢，就是将我们刚才切好的一个正方料开成一个50乘50的长方体，那么让它再进行下一个工序的加工。
Okay. There are manual cutting machines. And of course, there is an automatic cutting machine. Look, my right hand side. There is also an automatic board opening machine with a conveyor belt structure. It can process large stone slabs to make a neat standard board.
OK， 那么我们的板材已经切割好了以后呢，那么还要进行下一道工序呢，就是进行一个定厚校准的一个功能，就是将这一个板材将这一个板材呢定厚到统一的一个厚度。
Okay. You see our thickening machine down a plate. It has a very uniform thickness. You can see it here. The thickness of the two plates has been set to a unified specification. Through the cutting and processing just now for over 2 hours, we used the automatic cutting machine. It can quickly make mosaic. You can see it. This basket, which about 20 square meters of rectangular mosaic has been completed. A production.
Okay. Let me show you a special mosaic process. Look, I have a wheel in my hand, which is used to make a regular mosaic.
Just install it on the shaft. You can make this mosaic with an irregular shape.
So the next step is to apply glue. Level the back net. Then you can see here is to lie glue. Here is the glue, which is made of this latex. It is not afraid of water. This bucket is 50 kilograms per bucket. So we will apply the glue to the bottom of the mosaic and then apply the back net. What about after putting the glue on? Start sending it to the drying line. You can see the temperature inside up to 120 degrees. So the entire drying line, its length is about 15 meters long. When it comes out, the glue and back net are completely dry and can be polished. So the drying line has been dried from the front to the back. You can see the effect of it. The entire glue has solidified and is very neatly on top of it. Then we take it to the next process, which is polishing process.
OK， 大家看得到我身后呢有一台马赛克的一个平面抛光机，它专门就是用于平面的一个抛光的作用。我给大家看一下现场的一个制作的一个成品过程。
In addition to polishing, we also need some small equipment, such as this vibrator. It mainly vibrates the burrs and edges to vibrate and process this stuff. make it smoother and rounder.
Ding, ding, ding. Look, this is the completed work. How about it? Pretty. After the last process is completed, the entire processing has been completed. Then the entire polishing process is completed. Okay, today I showed you all the processing steps. I have summarized the machines needed for a 10-piece mosaic factory. The first one is a large slab saw for rough cutting. The second is a manual cutter. Third, the automatic cutting machine. Fourthly, two, the sizing machine. Fifth, a flat polishing machine for mosaic. Sixth, drying line. Seventh, a vibrating machine for discs. Eight, we need 8 of 10 machines. 9, if you want the mosaics, you need a waterjet cutting machine, which more complex mosaic processes. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you at the factory. Bye. Bye.